3 bananas, nice and ripe. Mash them up soft, no need to hype. Half a cup of melted bliss. Butter's the key, don't let it miss. 1 cup sugar, sweet and fine. Or swap for honey, still divine. Crack 2 eggs and beat 'em well. Vanilla splash for that magic spell. Flour, flour, 1, 2, 3. Baking soda, just a teaspoon, please. Pinch of salt, now stir it slow. Fold it gently, let it flow. Pour it in a buttered tin. Heat to 350. Begin. Bake for nearly 50 minutes till golden brown. Oh, we're in it. Let it cool, then take a bite. Soft and warm and tastes just right. Add some nuts or chocolate too.